Hello guys, if you've just got your NETGEAR Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 router, RAX54S, and don't know how to set up, then this video is just for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the easy steps to set up your new router. Let's get started. Step 1. Unboxing the router. First, let's unbox the NETGEAR Nighthawk RAX54S. Inside the box, you'll find the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Now, plug the router into a power outlet and connect it to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Step 2. Download the Nighthawk app. Next, download the Nighthawk app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app will make the setup process much easier. Step 3. Open the app. Open the Nighthawk app and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through the setup process step by step. Step 4. Connect to router's Wi-Fi. When prompted, connect your phone to the router's default Wi-Fi network. You'll find the network name and password on a sticker on the router. Continue following the instructions in the app to complete the setup. You'll be asked to create a new Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Once done, the app will confirm that your router is set up. Step 5. Place your router. Place your router in a central location in your home for the best Wi-Fi coverage. Avoid placing it near walls or other electronics that might interfere with the signal. Step 6. Test your connection. Finally, connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and test the connection. You should now have strong, reliable Wi-Fi throughout your home. And that's it. You've successfully set up your NETGEAR Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 router, RAX54S. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.